Well, let me see those glasses.
I don't know what they are.
It works with the phone if you hold it up. Fuck.
Do you like that? Aw.
Now you can just see my room. It's boring.
The lights off.
It got all like intertwined.
Oh, no.
Intertwined.
Yeesh.
Did you say yeast?
Oh, dude. I thought it was like cookie dough, dude.
Say hi, Emily.
Ah.
Hi, Emily.
Can't really do anything. I know. Cannot record video, though. Okay. Okay. Now I can trip. Oh. Oh.
Are you getting mind fucked?
No. Just a little.